How to take your baby's temperature. A fever or high temperature is an indicator that something may not be right with your little one. So it's essential you learn how to check your baby's temperature safely and properly so that you can get an accurate reading, a diagnosis can be made, and any necessary treatment given to relieve baby's symptoms. There are several different thermometers available for use with babies, giving you the option to pick one you are most comfortable with. First, we're demonstrating one of the latest digital thermometers on the market. This is a multi-use thermometer that can also be used to monitor the temperature of your baby's room. This thermometer takes your baby's temperature from inside the ear. Make sure the probe cover is attached correctly and position it so it's snug but not pushed in too far. When the measurement is complete, it will beep and display a screen reading. Anything between 97 and 100.3 degrees is normal. They are very accurate, less invasive than a traditional clinical thermometer, and can even be used when your baby is sleeping. If you're using a traditional digital thermometer, remember not to put it into your baby's mouth. Instead, place it under the armpit, holding your baby's arm close to their body for a minimum of 5 minutes. A normal reading under the arm is about 97 degrees. Remember, they must be sterilized before each use. You could also consider forehead strips. They're very simple to use, and the temperature is shown by the number glowing. However, they're not as accurate as electronic models. A normal temperature should be between 97 and 99.5 degrees. If it's over 99.5 degrees, this is classified as a fever. If your baby is under a few months old, it's important to call the doctor as soon as you get a high temperature reading. At this age, the immune system is still developing, so it's important to get baby checked out right away. Lots of different factors can affect a baby's temperature, but it's always better to be cautious.